हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अपर्णा करन। इट्स मी अपर्णा और आज मैं आप सबके साथ कुछ ज्वेलरी एसेंशियल शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो कि मेरी वेडिंग सीरीज का पार्ट नंबर 2 है। और ये कुछ ज्वेलरी कुछ ऐसे हैं जो कि आप ज़रूरी नहीं है कि किसी वेडिंग फंक्शन के लिए या फिर कोई फंक्शन ही के लिए ये आप इतना 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 ईजी है और इतने सारे प्यारे प्यारे इयररिंग्स हैं जो आप डे टू डे लाइफ में आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सो विदाउट मच ब्लैबरिंग लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, रेड कलर के सब्सक्राइब बटन को प्रेस करें, उसके बगल में जो बेल बटन है उसे हिट करना ना भूलें। Now without ado, let's get started. So my first recommendation is these golden loop earrings, and these are so universal that you can wear this on anything, even your western, traditional, and even your professional outfit. So it's now for jewelry number 2. So this is the jhumka, which is the golden and multi-stone color, and these are so pretty that it will go perfectly with your any traditional outfit, and even you can versatile it with the contemporary look, that wearing kurta under jeans and wear these jhumkas. It will look gorgeous. Now it's time for the jewelry number 3. So this is the earring number 3, and this is also a jhumka but with silver color, and it has some pearl underneath. It will look perfect with any dress. So it's now for the jewelry number 4. So these are the stud earrings. You can pair it with any of your outfit, even if you're wearing heavy or you know that embroidery, full of embroidery, that heavy lehenga or gown. It will look perfect, so delicate, and it looks so cute. And you can even pair this with your professional and your daily outfit. It doesn't look any extra or over the top. These are just tiny and delicate earrings which will go everything. So these are the bangles which are universal, and these are in golden and silver pattern, and these can go with any of your suit, churidar, lehenga, gown, and even your daily wear kurti and jeans. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and please let me know what you want to see next in this wedding series so that I can give you a big surprise by making that video. Till then, stay tuned, keep subscribing. Bye.